So today we are gonna learn the entire periodic table, each and every single element present in the periodic table with the help of special tricks which we refer to as mnemonics, as you can see. So mnemonics are basically small poems or maybe some different kind of tricks through which we can learn something which we are finding very difficult to learn. For example, now you are finding the elements in the periodic table difficult to learn. So, without wasting further time, let's get started with the video. So, all of us we know the entire periodic table is divided into various blocks: S block, P block, D block, and F block. Okay. So, we are going to start off with the S block. Okay. So group 1, the alkali metals are referred to as the S block. Okay. The elements are helium, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, which we are going to learn in a very easy method. Okay. So this is the mnemonic we used to learn this group 1. The mnemonic is Helena की रवि से friendship है. Okay. So as you all can understand, Helena is a girl who is friends with Rabi. Okay, Helena and Rabi are friends. The relationship between them is that of friendship. Okay, so Helena, He stands for helium, Li stands for lithium, Na stands for sodium, Helena. Ki stands for K, which is potassium. Rabi stands for Rb, which is rubidium. Se stands for CS, which is cesium and not computer science. Okay. Friendship stands for FR, which is francium. And here is just an extra word to complete the sentence. So we have learnt group 1, which is Helena ki Rabi se friendship hai. Helium, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Okay. After group 1 comes group 2, which is also the S block. Okay. The elements here are known as the alkaline earth metals. Okay. It is written on the board. Group 2 S block alkaline earth metals. So the elements quickly are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. The mnemonic we use here is Beta mange car scooter bap razi. Okay, so there is this beta and there is this bap who is supposed to be very rich, and beta जो भी मांगे वो ही बाप देता है. So the boy right now is wishing for a car and a scooter from his bap, okay, from his father, who is willing to give him car and scooter. Okay, bap is razi. Bap is willing to give him the car and scooter. Okay. So beta here stands for beryllium, which is Be. Mange stands for Mg, which is magnesium. Car stands for Ca, which is calcium. Okay. Scooter stands for Sr, which is strontium. Barium stands for Bap. Okay. And radium stands for Razi. Beta मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप राजी beryllium magnesium calcium strontium barium radium. Okay, so we have also learned all the group 2 elements. Okay, so after this we are going to learn group 13, which is present in the P block. Okay, this particular group is known as the boron family because boron is the first element present in this group. Okay, so the elements quickly are boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Okay, the mnemonic we use here is Bingan, Alu, Gajar in Thala. Thala is bag. Okay, thala is bag. This is the bag. Okay, in this we have Alu and Bingan. Okay, Alu and Bingan. Ignore my pathetic diagram. Okay. So Bingan, B stands for boron, Alu, Al stands for aluminium, Gajar, Ga stands for gallium, indium, In stands for indium, thallium, T and L stands for thallium. Okay, so boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, Bingan, Alu, Gajar in thala. So we have also learned another group, which is group 13. Now we are gonna learn group 14, which is also there in P block, which is a part of the P block. This particular group is known as the carbon family. As you can see, carbon is the very first element present in this group. Okay, so carbon, silicon, germanium. SN stands for stannum, which is the representation of tin. Okay, the Latin name for tin is stannum, and PB stands for plumbum, which is also the Latin name for lead. Okay, so carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead. Okay, so the mnemonic we use to learn this is कौन सी Geeta Sneha problem. Okay, so there are two girls, as you can understand, Geeta and Sneha. दोनों के बीच में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ है. So two friends are discussing कि गीता एंड स्नेहा के बीच में कौन सा प्रॉब्लम हुआ है. ठीक है, कौन सी गीता स्नेहा प्रॉब्लम. ओके, कौन stands for C, carbon. Okay, silicon is Si, कौन सी. Geeta stands for Ge, germanium. Sn stands for stannum, which is tin. Okay, Sneha, Sn. Problem stands for PB, which is plumbum or lead. Okay, this is lead and this stands for tin. कौन सी गीता स्नेहा प्रॉब्लम, गीता स्नेहा के बीच में कौन सा प्रॉब्लम हुआ है. ओके, so we have also learned this particular group, group 14. So now we are going to learn group 15, which is also a part of the P block. This particular group is known as nitrogens. So the elements present in this group is nitrogen, P for phosphorus, arsenic, SB stands for stibium, okay, which is antimony, and Bi stands for bismuth. Okay, so nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. The mnemonic we use is नहीं पसंद ऐसा सब भाई. So a friend is telling another friend कि उसको ऐसा कुछ पसंद नहीं. Maybe they are talking about something कि इस friend को ऐसा कुछ पसंद नहीं है. He is telling his friend. Okay. So nahi stands for nitrogen N, pasand stands for P, phosphorus, aisa stands for As, arsenic, sub stands for Sb, which is stibium, which stands for antimony, bhai stands for Bi, which is bismuth. So we are also done with group 15. So now we come to this particular group, which is group 16. This family is referred to as the chalcogen family. Chalcogens, these are known as chalcogens. This is also a part of the P block. So the elements are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium. This particular mnemonic which we are going to use to learn this group is very lame, so just don't get into the meaning of this. The mnemonic is O style se tepo. O stands for O, which is oxygen. Style stands for S, which is sulfur. Se, Se stands for selenium. Te stands for tellurium. And Po stands for polonium. O style se tepo. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium. So now we come to group 17, which is also a part of the P block. All of you know, this particular group is referred to as halogens. Okay, these elements are the halogens. The elements are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. The mnemonic we use here is फिर कल बाहर आई auntie. So there is an auntie who again came out yesterday. Okay, we are talking about some incident कि वो फिर से बाहर आई थी कल. Okay, so फिर stands for F, which is fluorine. Kal stands for Cl, which is chlorine. Okay. Bahar stands for Br, which is bromine. I stands for I. Okay. See the accent I. We say I. Okay. I stands for iodine and astatine stands for anti. फिर कल बाहर आई आंटी क्लोरीन क्लोरीन ब्रोमीन आयोडीन एस्टेटाइन. So group 17 khatam. Okay. So moving on to the last group of the P block, which is group 18. The elements here, we know these are referred to as the noble gases. Okay, I didn't mention it. Noble gases. Okay, so the elements are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Okay, the mnemonic we use here is हीना नीना और करीना का एक्सरे रंगीन. Okay, so there are three ajubis, three अजीब टाइप की गर्ल्स. Okay, जिनका नाम गिनीज वर्ल्ड बुक रिकॉर्ड में जाना चाहिए कि उन लोगों का एक्सरे रंगीन आता है. ठीक है, उन लोगों का जब भी एक्सरे किया जाता है वो रंगीन आता है. This is also a lame mnemonic, still works. Okay, so Hina stands for He, helium. Nina stands for Ne, neon. Okay, then argon stands for Ar, or. Okay, Karina stands for krypton, Kr. ठीक है, we don't, this is just an extra word to complete the sentence. X-ray stands for Xe, xenon, and rangeen stands for Rn. Okay, so helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, हीना नीना और करीना का एक्सरे रंगीन. Okay, so we are finished with S block and P block. Now we will be moving on to D block, and then comes our F block. Next we come to D block, which starts off from period 4. Okay, these are known as the transition metals. So the metals namely are scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, Fe, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Okay, iron stands for Fe and cobalt stands for Cu. You might have heard cupric or cuprous, and iron is ferrous or ferric. Okay, so these are the Latin names. Okay, so we learn this using a mnemonic which is in Sanskrit. Okay, so the mnemonic is Sakti Vakraman Fiko Nikujan. Okay, I don't exactly know the meaning of this Sanskrit line. Okay, but this really works in learning the D block. Okay, so Sakti. Sak stands for SCTI. T stands for Scandium, titanium, Sakti. Vakraman. Okay, Vakraman. V stands for vanadium. Chromium, manganese. Chromium stands for Cr, Kra, and Man stands for Mn, manganese. So Sakti Vakraman, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese. Then comes FeCO. Fe stands for iron and Co stands for cobalt. FeCO. Nikujan. Ni stands for nickel. Ku stands for copper, and Zn stands for zinc, which is Fico Niku Jan. Jan is Zn. Okay, so Sakti Vakraman, Fico Niku Jan, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. So we are done with the first period of the D block, period 4. This feels like an achievement, learning this. Like, this is I had this fear of like I won't be able to learn the D block and F block, but this makes it very easy, right? So next we are gonna move on to period 5. So now moving on to period 5, which is also a part of the D block. The elements are known as transition metals, as I mentioned earlier. So the elements are yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, argentum, and cadmium. Argentum is the Latin name for silver. Okay. So this one is very funny, this mnemonic. It is Y Zarnab Mu Tak Ryu Re Per AGCD. Okay, so there is this teacher who is telling Zarnab. Zarnab is a guy. Okay, so अर्नब तो सुना ही होगा, एक नाम है अर्नब. ओके, किसी का भी नाम हो सकता है अर्नब. सो इसका भाई है जर्नब. सो देयर इज अ टीचर हु इज टेलिंग जर्नब, तुम मेरे को ताक क्यों रहे हो. ठीक है, मीन्स वाई आर यू staring at me. Okay, per AGCD we say ABCD, but here it is AGCD. So why zarna muh tak ryu re per AGCD. Okay, why are you staring at me? Read AGCD, study AGCD. Okay, this is a different kind of English where B is not there. In place of B we have G. Okay, so this is funny. So Y stands for Yttrium. Okay. Zarnab stands for ZR. Okay. Yttrium, zirconium, niobium stands for NB nub. Okay. Mu stands for molybdenum, MO. Technetium. Okay. Technetium. Then comes ruthenium. Okay. Ruthenium we say ruthenium. Okay. Then comes Re we say as RH, rhodium. Then comes palladium, PD, per, okay, per AgCd. Ag stands for argentum and Cd for cadmium. This is silver, this is cadmium. Why Zarna mu tak ryude per AgCd. Zarna, don't stare at me, learn AgCd. Okay. So yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, argentum, cadmium. So we are done with period 5 of the D block. So coming to the end of D block, which is period 6, transition metals. The elements are, okay, lanthanum, hafnium, tantalum, wolfram, which is tungsten, okay, represented by W. This is rhenium. Then comes osmium, iridium, platinum. Au stands for aurum, which is gold, and this is mercury, which is also known as hydrogyrum. Okay, so the mnemonic is here is La half t-shirt W ray osmium iridium platinum gold mercury. ये पार्ट लर्न कर लो. इसका निमोनिक मुझे नहीं मालूम, मैंने बस लर्न कर लिया था, मेरे टीचर ने कोई निमोनिक नहीं बताया था. ठीक है. Okay, so there is this guy, this boy, his name is W, and someone is asking for a half t-shirt from him. Okay, so La is lanthanum, La. Hafnium stands for HF. Okay, Ta. Okay, tantalum stands for t-shirt. Okay, tantalum. W is wolfram, which is tungsten. Okay, Re is Re, rhenium. Okay, then comes osmium, iridium, platinum, gold and mercury. ये बस याद कर लेना, ऑस्मियम, इरिडियम, प्लैटिनम, गोल्ड, मर्करी. ओके, सारे जो बहुत ही कॉस्टली चीजें हैं. ठीक है. ला हाफ टी शर्ट W रे ऑस्मियम, इरिडियम, प्लैटिनम, गोल्ड, मर्करी. हाफ टी शर्ट भी दो मुझे, एंड ऑस्मियम, इरिडियम, platinum, gold and mercury bhi do. Someone is asking for these things from this boy who is W. Okay, so lanthanum, hafnium, tantalum, wolfram, which is tungsten, Re is rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold and mercury. Okay, so we are done with period 6, which is D block. Okay, so we are done with the 4 blocks SPDF. 30 minutes के अंदर तुम्हारा चारों ब्लॉक, अगर तुम ये ठीक से वीडियो देखोगे एंड रिवाइज करोगे, लर्न करोगे, तो तुम्हारा 30 मिनट्स के अंदर ये पूरा जो चारों ब्लॉक के एलिमेंट्स है ये लर्नड बाय हार्ट हो जाएगा. ठीक है. इसके बाद से तुम्हें मतलब प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा कभी भी किसी एलिमेंट को याद करने में. सो टुडे आई एम गोना एंड दिस वीडियो ओवर हियर. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. डू लाइक, शेयर this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.